Let's take question number 28. A value of alpha such that this integral is equal to log 9 by 8. So just simplify this integral, a simple one. This can be written integral alpha to alpha plus 1 upon x plus alpha minus 1 upon x plus alpha plus 1 dx. This is given to me log 9 by 8. So let's write down log 9 by 8. Right? Now we can see this can be integrated as log x plus alpha upon x plus alpha plus 1. This is equal to log 9 by 8 after applying limit from alpha to alpha plus 1. Now when you apply limit, you get log, substituting alpha plus 1, this gives you 2 alpha plus 1 upon 2 times alpha plus 1. Right? When you put alpha, you are getting 2 alpha upon 2 alpha plus 1 with a negative sign. So on log, you can write here 2 alpha plus 1 upon 2 alpha is equal to log 9 by 8. So from here, you can see this is changing to 2 alpha plus 1 whole square divided by alpha into alpha plus 1 is equal to 9 by 2. Just simplify to get the value for alpha as 1 or minus 2. Now, from the given options, you can clearly check the correct answer is option number 2. Moving on to the next one, that is question number 29. It is from a complex numbers. It says z is a complex number such that its imaginary part is 10. So you can take z as x plus 10 iota. Now this is equal to 2i minus 1. So simply you have to compare real and imaginary parts to get the answer. 2 times x plus 10i minus n is equal to 2i minus 1 multiplied with 2 times x plus 10i, right, plus n. Now simplify and compare real and imaginary parts to get the correct answer, and from here you get x equals minus 10 and n equals 40. Yes, so just check out x equals minus 10, x meaning real part of z is minus 10 and n is 40. So the correct answer for this question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next one, that is question number 30, last question of this paper. Let fx is 5 minus mod of x minus 2 and gx is mod of x plus 1. It is given that fx attains maximum at alpha and gx attains minimum at beta. You have to talk about limiting value when x is approaching to minus alpha beta. Now this is a simple one. This will be maximum when this modulus function is minimum. Its minimum value will be 0 when x is 2. So clearly you see here alpha is 2. Now minimum value of this term will be 0 when x is minus 1. So beta is simply minus 1. So let's start it. Alpha beta is actually minus 2. Now question says limit x approaching to 2, x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 divided by x minus 2, x minus 4. You can see x minus 2 cancelled in numerator and denominator. Now substitute limiting value as 2 to get the result 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 3 divided by 2 minus 4. So this is equal to half. So I'm sure this question is clear. So let's see from the given options. We can clearly see, yes, it is given here as option number 1. So let's mark and mention it as our answer. So this was about question number 30. That is the last question of this JEE Main 2019 mathematics paper, which was conducted on 12th April in the evening shift. Thank you for watching the video.